Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the customer service in the Icelandair application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the settings button at the bottom of the page on the right, and at the information section click on the contact us button. And as you can see, there's a phone number given to each specific country. So for example, if you live in the United States or Canada, then you will find their phone number and the opening hours as well. And if you click on the chat with us button at the bottom of the page, and you give certain information about yourself, and clicking on the start chatting button, you can contact them very quickly. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.